If you're looking for ways to finance purchasing large amounts of stock and raw materials for your company, there's a couple of ideas that might be helpful. We do have access to specific stock financing facilities. This means that you can raise money against your own stock and raw materials that you already hold. Now that can release capital that's tied up in that asset. The other way, of course, is that you can use your invoices in order to raise additional finance. Now, this is typically through what we call receivables financing, or sometimes called invoice finance or factoring. The way these facilities work is that they provide you with a prepayment against your sales invoices so that you don't have to wait for them to be paid. Either way, it can generate a fairly significant amount of money that you can then use to purchase more raw materials, more stock, or to pay other costs for that matter, such as staff, premises, etc. But those are a couple of quick ways that you can use in order to buy more stock for your business.